You're thinking of selling your home and want to know what it's worth, quickly, accurately, and with no hassle. Whether you are just thinking about selling, or if you are further down the road and are preparing your home to get sold, deciding at what price to offer your property, most likely your biggest asset, is one of the most important financial decisions you will make. Depending on how a buyer is made aware of your home, price is often the first thing they see, their first impression of your home. Many homes are rejected by qualified buyers as not being priced right, and that's even before the first showing. You want to make the most money you can when selling your home, so it's crucial that you make a good first impression. It's equally dangerous to price your home too low, as you will leave money on the table. Pricing correctly is not a simple process and should not be taken lightly. As you research and ask questions, finding out what your home is worth is important information to arm yourself with when selling your home. Now you can get a free online home evaluation right from your computer or device with no obligation. By providing your address and a brief description of your home, our exclusive software system will conduct a thorough market analysis using the entire database of homes bought, listed, and sold in our area. We'll analyze how your home compares to similar homes, and with this current market data, you will be able to determine what your home might sell for if you decided to put it on the market today. There is no cost or obligation to sell your home by using this valuable service. To get your free online home evaluation, please provide the information requested and discover what your home may sell for to achieve your maximum financial advantage. And if you are further along in the home selling process and would like to discuss the sale of your home and get your property exposed to our large network of pre-qualified, ready-to-act buyers, call us at the telephone number provided. You can get started now.